as part of the TVET fact-finding mission in Sierra Leone. The delegation visited Milton Margai Technical University, Congo Cross branch, to gain first-hand insights into technical and vocational education, practical skills training, and workforce development.
That when you talk about TVET provides this campus, because I benefited from that. I started with a 1-year certificate here while we're doing hands-on training before I get to where I am now. We just concluded some training for the bike riders as alternative livelihood, which more or less has technical vocational pay. Because most times when you set that university criteria of having 5 WASC or 5 O-levels, most of the students don't meet that. But we need that middle-level manpower in society to be able to drive the wheel. And that is what we do here, because we do short courses in many areas, especially the sciences. So a lot of short courses on one. We don't want to leave them. We bring them in, and we've seen some of them metamorphose from coming from TVET, like I said myself, onto higher degree. So that is what we really do, and we appreciate your intervention in coming, because the key project of His Excellency is the Fit Salon project, and that has to do around, if you don't have that middle-level manpower who do the things hands-on, you have all the innovation, all the techniques, all the write-up, but it will not give you the required output you're looking for. Somebody has to be there to be training the people. That's how you go to farm, that is what you do, what you need, how you operate the tractors, and how you service the tractors, how you maintenance them. These are all the things. Yeah. We do mostly the engineering things here. We definitely see how we do our best to get what you're looking for. We've been thinking along those lines, and then we've been doing a lot of things along those lines to see how we can support His Excellency in the Fit Salon project. So, but you will know that some of the challenges have to do with funding and some expertise. So now that we have the expertise, we'll see how we get over those bottlenecks and move forward. Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate. Please feel free. If there is anything you want to know, just let me know. We have the automobile workshop. We do a lot of repairs. We have the metal work. We do a lot of work there in terms of getting our local machinery. There's not everything we do and order. You can do some local machinery which can be used on those projects. Yeah. So once we have the expertise, we say this is how we do it. We can develop them, we design, work with students on research projects and all of that, and then get those machines up and running so we can use them for those projects. But I want to thank you very much for considering us and for stopping by. Thank you very much. machinery and all of that, you will be able to get what you need. So we're very happy to have you. I hope you give Milton Margai the best of preference. Give us the best of preference. And you'll make no mistake. You'll make no mistake.